Well, on this unseasonably warm Christmas Day, it stays rather warm throughout the evening hours. 62 currently, will fall back to the mid-50s overnight, but still way above average. And the dew point's only in the upper 50s, so it's not going to drop much more from where it is now. With it very humid, it's also going to lead to some patchy fog in spots. So temperatures currently for many areas still above 60, and others only falling back to the upper 50s. But again, the fog, that's the one number we'll watch overnight. Visibility is not bad yet, but overnight will be dropping just a little bit. So wherever you're traveling first thing in the morning, do be aware of that. Otherwise, a mix of clouds and sun tomorrow and a day much like today with the warm air continuing. On the radar view, again, we are still very dry. That won't change much. The only exception being some patchy areas of sprinkles, a little drizzle in the fog layer, and that's really about it. Our next widespread chance of rain, that arrives later Sunday night and out through early Monday. Now, across the region, we are south of a stationary front. North of that front, that's where winter is. Where we are, it is very warm, not just for us, but all over the southern third of the country. And the storm you heard all about over California and the West Coast, that's going to play a part in changing our weather for the late stage of the weekend and early next week. This will slide eastward and then pull down much colder air. That starts arriving for us by Monday, and that's when winter starts to return. Until then, it's still near record warmth. This is tomorrow morning. Temperatures in the 50s early, clouds, patchy fog, but through the day, clouds and a few peaks of sun. Like today, upper 60s, low 70s. It is possible with a few little minor disturbances moving by that tomorrow evening, a few patchy light showers are possible, but aside from that, just partly cloudy. Now, Saturday is going to start with clouds, but then we get a lot of sun for the afternoon. This is the one day where we could see another attempt at a record high temperature. Each day has that chance. Saturday has the best chance as highs approach the mid 70s. Then clouds will come back as we approach early Sunday. Even as that front approaches in the west, it will still be warm Sunday afternoon, highs nearing 70, and then the rain starts to arrive later Sunday night and really on into Monday. This takes us on through early Monday morning. Rain creeps in, and all the while temperatures will be falling as well. So the rain will continue to start the day on Monday, but notice this pink shading. This means that the rain may end as a brief mixture of the higher terrain, not anticipating any major problems. It just signifies it's going to really start dropping as far as temperatures go, and then all that may end as flurries off to the east. But look at the temperatures. This is on a Sunday, still right around 70. Then by Monday morning at sunrise, this is going to be our highest daytime temperature in the 50s and 40s. By late day, we're in the 30s, and then later on into early Tuesday morning, we're down into the 20s, and a wind chill Tuesday morning in the single digits. The rest of Tuesday, we'll see highs in the 30s, but mainly dry while that cold air is around. For tomorrow, though, watch for the patchy fog early. Otherwise, another warm one. Highs upper 60s and low 70s. And again, through the weekend, near record warmth continues. The best chance on Saturday. On Monday, falling temperatures all day long. That 51's early. We'll be in the 30s late day. Very cold for Tuesday into Wednesday. But for New Year's Eve and New Year's Day, we'll ring in 2026 with highs in the 40s.